Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Nelson again. Today we are going to read a book called The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. We're going to use this book to see how we can share with our friends. Let's get started. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. So boys and girls, if you noticed, we had 2 children, Sam and Victoria, and they were sharing some cookies. They need to share the cookies equally, so let's see how that looks. We are going to give each child a cookie until there are no more left in the middle. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Each child got 6 cookies, or half of the total amount of cookies. Let's keep reading. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Okay, boys and girls, now we have 4 children. Tom, Hannah, Sam, and Victoria. And they have to share all of the cookies equally. Remember what we do. We give each child a cookie until there are no more left on the plate. Let's see how that looks. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3. Each child got 3 cookies, or 1/4 of the total. All of the cookies are divided equally. Let's keep reading. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Mom. You can share the cookies. That's 2 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Okay, boys and girls, we had 4 children, and then 2 more children came to the house. That means we needed to put all the cookies back in the middle, and now we need to share them equally between 6 children. Let's see what that looks like. Remember, we'll give 1 cookie to each child until we don't have any left. Here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Do we have any left? We sure do, so let's keep going. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. No more left on the plate. Each child got 2 cookies. They've been divided equally. Let's keep reading. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. So boys and girls, did you notice that we started with 6 children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we added 6 more when Joy and Simon came in with their 4 cousins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, how many children do we have in all? Let's count them and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 children. Let's take a look at what that looks like when we divide our cookies. Here are our 12 children, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here are our cookies. So remember, boys and girls, we need to give 1 cookie to each child until there are no cookies left, so that it will be equal. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Are there any cookies left? Nope. We gave them all out. There were 12 children and 12 cookies. Each child got 1 more. But do you remember, boys and girls? The doorbell just rang again. Let's go back and see what happens. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. And rang. Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Remember, boys and girls, they each have 1 cookie. What are they going to do now? How will they share their cookies next? Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. What do you think is going to be on the other side of the door, boys and girls? It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Isn't it nice to have friends to share things with, boys and girls? I hope you enjoyed our story, and I'll see you next time. Bye.